sure do like to share your opinions, talking big like somebody's listening. Nobody's listening.
Fire in the hole, man.
So fun and games until it doesn't toss me out. I'll hit the ignition.
This is one of the projects that I was really excited to do. So she has some St. Augustine mixed in here. So we really have to burn this area and reseed. So you'll notice that there are tons of weeds, some weird spots in the area. So the hope is by the end of the spring, we have something really good to work with out here. We're gonna throw down some glyphosate and kill everything in the area. And then we're gonna reseed with some lateral spread fescue. Brenda's gonna do all the work. I'm gonna be here to guide her. What I told her is that PPE is very important. We are dealing with glyphosate here. So I want her to be extra safe and careful. Let's see what happens. So Brenda.
Yes.
What is the most important part of this process right now? The first step that you have to take.
Safety. But I have this frog suit.
Yep.
That I'm going to put on. This will protect my clothes and my skin. So.
You are much more protected than a lot of people that I've seen, so great. So Brenda was suited up and ready to go. I truly felt like we were in a hazmat zone. Apparently some of her neighbors were also concerned that we were in a hazmat zone. I do realize that this is not the right tip to use, but Brenda was unable to find her fan tip attachment, so we went with it.
Watch me levitate, watch me levitate, watch me levitate, watch me levitate.